Alright, so here's me trying to get into the Linux Fundamentals Part 1 virtual machine. So let's see here. You could watch that video. I'm sure they go into it too, but usually I just go right here and I click this Start Machine. It makes me wait for a while. Sometimes it does take a while, but this black part comes up and does its thing. What if you hit the info here? Oh, okay, I have another idea. No, there's no another idea. I think we're SSHing into it right now. Let's see, when accessing target machines. Okay. Yeah. Wonder if we could SSH into this from attack box. I'm going to do copy on that for later if this doesn't work for you. Let's see. So once mine does that, it goes here to a white screen for a second. It says connection error. That usually doesn't really do it. I go to home. And then, what did I do? I don't know if I shrink it down, show split view. There it goes. Yeah, so it misbehaves for a little bit, and then it eventually seems to come back up. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's running. There it is. So mine just takes a while to go. Shiba Newt Newt. That's your computer kind of automatically jumping into that machine, and then you can do these questions, look at the hints, all sorts of stuff. If I want to SSH into this, it's Shiba 1, Shiba 1. Okay, so let's say, what if that didn't work? What if that always stayed white? I'm going to try disconnecting from this machine. Terminate. Good. Okay, now I'm going to try this. I made a video for part 2. Help with SSH connecting to your virtual machine on. This is for Fundamentals 2. So when you go to Fundamentals Part 2, which there's a link here, so I'll jump there. So on this one, when you start this machine, you're SSHing into it, basically. But I want to see if I can log into the machine we're just on. If that didn't work for you, I wonder if you could get to it through this thing called attack box. So let's say that first one didn't work for you. I'm going to try this. Because I copied the Fundamentals Part 1 IP address, and it goes with Shiba 1. I'm going to see, now I'm logging into a machine that is basically made to attack other machines. Let me try this out. Okay. It's loading up still. This one takes a while too. So hopefully this is the same thing on connecting to Shiba 2. I hope it works on Chromebooks. I mean, I double checked that everybody could log in, but I didn't make anyone spin up on it. Now I have done it. It's not our Wi-Fi at school that's a problem. I'm wondering if like somebody's Wi-Fi at home or if it's your Chromebook on this thing. If that's the case, it's going to be upsetting. All right, let me pause while this finishes. Okay, so once this one loads up, it gives you this warning on not to hack other people. But you can open this terminal and try to log in. SSH. Ah, shoot, it didn't copy paste from the other one. Gosh darn it. I should have taken a screenshot. Let me pause and go find that other machine's. I want to find part 1's IP address again. I wonder if that changes every time. I don't know. Let's try this. 10.10.8.121. No, that's machine 2, isn't it? How do I do it? Let me go back to Linux Fundamentals Part 1. I'm going to leave this open though. I'm just going to go up here and type 1. Okay, hopefully this split screen. Ah, it disappeared. Oh no, it's back. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me see here. No, it doesn't. I wonder if you can do all these activities from here. Let me see. Will it care? I don't think it'll care. I think you can still do these. Let me check. Let me find there. Let's check out what's in here. Oh yeah, you don't have these files. Let's look in scripts. Yeah, I don't think I can get in there another way. Alright, well I was trying to get in there another way, but I couldn't figure it out, so let me stop this.